Welcome back, guys. Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and today we're going to be talking about your nuts and why it's a good practice to keep them covered. Whoa, I'm referring to the DDMWorks rear axle double nut cover for the Polaris Slingshot. We've teamed up with DDMWorks to bring you some much needed love to the double rear axle nut system for the Polaris Slingshot. Polaris migrated to this double axle nut system to ensure that your rear axle nut stays torqued to the factory spec, but the double nut leaves a look that's a bit undesirable. This billet aluminum double nut cover serves both form and function and is available in a variety of colors. It not only looks great, but actually keeps the rear axle nuts locked in their current state. So now you'll have a double nut protection? Would that be quadruple nut protection? The double nut cover installs easily with the included stainless steel set screws and even comes with the Allen key that's required for the install. Now let's grab our tools and get started. First, take the 3 longer set screws and thread them into the axle nut cover to get started. Make sure you don't screw them on too far because you still need to slide them onto the axle nuts. Now place the cover over the axle nuts and begin to screw in the set screws evenly, a little bit each time. Because everyone's application may vary, DDMWorks has also included 2 additional smaller set screws, just in case 1 or 2 of them are sticking out past the cover once tightened down. I only had 1, so I removed it and inserted the smaller one so that it would screw in flush with the cover. So if you like the way this DDMWorks axle nut cover looks, be sure to head over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time. Because it'll look better. It not only looks great, but actually serves a purpose in life. The double nut cover installs easily with the included stainless steel set screws and even comes with the stainless steel set screws that are required for the install. Double the nut means double the